Hello and welcome back. I'm Kai, and today we're diving into the AI Resume Replicant template. To get started, we need a solid design to replicate. I've chosen JobHero for our examples. We'll navigate to their resume library, pick a professional layout, and extract the SVG file to serve as our AI's blueprint. Take a look at the Run tab to see exactly how the agent navigated the site. Here, you can verify the output and make any necessary adjustments to the nodes to perfect your results. Here is the main line. We visit the page and extract the resume templates directly. While I'm using this specific site for the demo, you can apply this to any source you prefer. Time to dive into n8n. I've documented the workflow with detailed notes, including the BrowserAct template details. Remember, these are reference workflows designed for you to customize. Everything kicks off with a Telegram trigger. Once the user submits their info, the bot validates the input, focusing on extracting clear resume details and skills. If any information is missing, the bot is programmed to automatically request the necessary data. To keep the conversation natural, we've implemented a switch node. If the user is just chatting or hasn't provided details, the workflow takes the second path to an AI chat node for a seamless interaction. But, as soon as sufficient resume data is detected, the workflow pivots to the top path. It sends a quick status notification to the user and immediately triggers the BrowserAct node. For this specific scenario, we need no inputs. It is designed to be as simple as possible. You can also choose the workflows directly from the BrowserAct marketplace. After that, we clear our Google Sheet to start fresh and then split the data. I need to remind you that you will need to create the Google Sheets yourself and connect them. Next, we are sending items into a loop. First, we use an HTTP node to download the data, then we send it to Cloud Convert to change the format to JPG. After that, we send it to Gemini and instruct the AI to completely analyze the image. Finally, we save the results inside the Google Sheet for each resume. Our database will look like this. You need to define a column named Resume Details. Now that we have a collection of resumes, we simply pull them from the Google Sheet. Since they are stored as individual items, we use an aggregator to combine the data and send it to another AI. This AI will check the user input against the template descriptions and generate a constructed resume. We use structured output and simply add an auto-fix to the parser to ensure the data is perfect. With the content finalized, we pass the data to a specialized AI that crafts a precision prompt for Nano Banana Pro. This ensures the final output matches the exact visual style of our original template. Once Nano Banana generates the image, the workflow routes it straight back to the user. Since we're using the chat ID from the initial Telegram trigger, the delivery is seamless and fully automated. To send the binary file to Telegram, you need to check the binary option in the node settings. After that, you must match the input binary field name exactly with the output from the Gemini node, usually named data. This ensures the bot picks up the right file. Now, shall we see the result? As you can see, I sent the example resume to the AI, and it sent back a resume that looks exactly like the template we scraped. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.